In today's video, I am going to teach you how to convert Word text to Excel. This is a common task when you have a list of information in a Word document and you want it to be organized in Excel. The goal is to take text that is currently sitting in a Word file, copy it, paste it into Excel, and then use Excel tools to split it into separate columns. Follow along at your own pace, and you can pause the video if you need extra time to match what you see on your screen. First, open Microsoft Word and locate the text you want to convert. Click and drag to select the portion of the document that contains the data you want in Excel. Once the text is highlighted, press Ctrl+C to copy it to your clipboard. This step matters because Excel will only work with what you place into the spreadsheet, so having the correct text copied is the foundation for everything that comes next. Next, switch over to Excel. When you open Excel, you want to choose a worksheet where you want the data to appear. Click on cell A1, which is the top left cell in most default sheets. Choosing A1 helps keep things simple because Excel will paste the content starting from that exact location, making the layout easier to manage. Now press Ctrl+V to paste the text into the sheet. After you paste, you might notice that everything appears in a single block or a single column. That is totally normal at this stage, especially if the original Word text uses spaces, tabs, or commas to separate fields. Next, we will use an Excel feature called Text to Columns to split the data properly. After pasting, look at the top ribbon in Excel. Click the Data tab. The Data tab contains tools for working with imported and formatted text, including the Text to Columns wizard we will use. Take a moment to confirm you are on the correct tab, since the button you need is located under Data Tools. Within the Data tab, find the Data Tools group and click the Text to Columns button. This opens a wizard that helps Excel figure out how your text should be separated. You are essentially telling Excel what characters or patterns represent the boundaries between columns. This makes it possible to convert a messy single line of text into a clean table structure. In the wizard, you will be asked how the text is separated. Choose Delimited, then click Next. Selecting Delimited is the right choice when your text fields are separated by something like a tab, comma, semicolon, or a similar character. If you are not sure, Excel is designed to work with the most common separator types, so you can adjust based on what you see. Now you need to choose the separator that matches your copied Word text. Look for options like tab or comma in the delimiter choices. Click the box next to your separator, such as tab or comma. Choose the one that best matches how the data was originally separated in Word. If your data was spaced with tabs, tab is usually the best option. If it was comma separated, then comma is the correct choice. This is the key setting that determines how Excel splits the text into columns. Once you have selected the separator, click Next again. Then in the final step of the wizard, click Finish. Excel will process your pasted content and split it into separate columns based on the delimiter you selected. After finishing, review the result to make sure the columns look right and check that the values landed in the expected places. And that is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know.